Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for watching. So, today's video, well, I filmed this last Saturday and it's currently Thursday. I forgot to film the intro. But basically what we're going to be doing in the video is, this is like part 2, I guess you would say, to rebuilding the pond. As you saw in the thumbnail, the water has rose. So, we're doing some stuff with the drain pipe. We're also, like, digging up stumps, just, cleaning up a little bit more, just, the typical Saturday vlog. So, yep, thank y'all for watching, and let's get into the video. So, look at this. So, as y'all saw the last video, well, matter of fact, it was in the thumbnail, we rebuilt this pond, put a new drain pipe in it over there, done some grading, stuff like that, and over this whole entire week it has completely filled up. Now, yeah, I mean, it looks really bad right now, but eventually it'll clear up. But yeah, I mean, this is the first time it's been full in about a year. It looks really good. Can't wait till this thing clears up and stuff. But I think we're gonna work on, because that pipe over there is not cut off at the right length, so I think we're gonna try to cut that off at the right length today. I think that's what we're going to do today. So it's been colder today. It's been down in the 30s. So we're going to see how the old mower actually cold starts, because it's actually cold. Pull choke out, shades in neutral. See, what do I need to do? Put her about half throttle. See what she does. Oh yeah. Y'all got a darn trolling motor on that thing. It'd be a good fishing rig.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool, actually. Oh, he's got it now. Oh yeah. Alright, so we are back at my minnow pond. So gonna try not to fall in the water. Gonna set the minnow trap out and yeah, see if we can get anything. Yeah, there's already minnows coming around it, so I'd say we'll get some. Hopefully we do. So there's a path up there to get down to here, a few shortcuts and stuff, but there's a log in the middle, so the old lawnmower won't climb it. So I'm gonna go cut that log out of the way. I tell you, it would be nice to have a four-wheeler. Can't even get my chainsaw on here. All right, let's go cut that log. Alright, so here is the pathway, that goes up to my grandparents' house, and then this comes down to the barn. So, I can't climb this with the old mower, so I'm going to cut it out of the way. Oh yeah, fired right up. Hey, a worm. I'll feed that to my fish. That's good. Okay, so there's the drain pipe right there. You know, we cut it off right next to the water. So, you know, there's a bunch because, I mean, literally the pond was empty a week ago. So, you know, there was like grass and you see all them sticks and stuff right here. So, you know, we didn't want it to get clogged up again right after we done it. So we put an old rusty minnow trap end over that. So that'll keep, you know, if some sticks go up to the drain pipe, that'll keep all the sticks from going down there and getting all buried up in there. And, you know, if it gets clogged up around the wire or whatever, just go over there with the boat over there, go over there, take it off, clear it out, put it back on. So, yeah, there's our filtration system. So, we're about to, there's that brush pile y'all saw in the last vlog that didn't burn. We're gonna try burning it again. My predictions are it's probably not gonna burn because it's only been a week since then. But yeah, we're gonna try to burn that again. Wow. Oh no. Oh, okay. Well, we'll just move the brush pile. So we're back at the minnow trap. It's probably been an hour. I really don't know. We'll see if I got anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got a bunch. Cool. All right, here we are at the fish pond. Very nice and clear, nice and full too. I don't know if y'all can see, but they're out today, roaming around. This is the clearest I've seen this pond in a minute, actually. That's pretty cool. All right, so we kind of have the brush pile burning. It's burning on one end, so we're gonna try to get a leaf blower and get the fire to the other end. So in the past, I've had issues with this leaf blower. Me and this leaf blower have had problems. It would get to where, because I helped my pawpaw mow grass around places, it would get to where it wouldn't crank up no matter what I do, and my pawpaw would come and start right up with him. So, had issues with this leaf blower, but maybe it'll do what it's supposed to.
Choking it now.
Yeah. so last vlog we were trying to get all this to work. You know, I'm sure you saw that, and it didn't work because we were using this handle over here, which is meant for a pump, and this does not have a pump on it. It's gravity fed. So got us a new handle. This handle just, you know, I really don't know what the inside of it does, but basically it don't need a pump to work. It's just gravity. So we're gonna redo this now.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the big bucket on the back car right now. We've been digging out the pond a little bit, so we're gonna switch it back over to that smaller one now. It ain't gonna make it up
I
that.
don't understand. It's still running. It will on the ground right there, but not right there. Well, why would it not? I mean, that's higher, much higher. I tell you, that darn filter's restricting the flow so bad it just won't run.
Right, so it still ain't working, and at this point we really don't know. We think really about the only thing it can be is the filter, but I don't know. The other day we took the handle off, put the hose in a bucket, and turned it on, and it was gushing fuel fast. So honestly, I really don't know what's the problem at this point, but yeah, it still ain't working. But yeah, that's kind of a shame, but yep. All right, so it's been about an hour and a half probably. Ate some lunch and stuff, so see if we got anything in the mini trap now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. So I think I got 12 last time. So 10. 12 again. Dang, we're doing good today. All right, let's go feed them to the fish now. Oh, I didn't see that actually. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. I really do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. Pretty simple video, not really doing a whole lot special, but I am glad to see the pond back in full again. I kind of forgot how it looked full. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I can't wait for it to clear up and all that. And we're about to, actually here pretty soon actually, we're going to stock it with some catfish. So yeah, that should be fun. This summer we're going to build a dock and all that. So yeah, I can't wait for the videos to come for this summer. But yep, thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Go down there, hit the like button, and while you're down there, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you do get notified when I upload another video. But yep, I'll catch y'all in the next one.